Alright friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out this 18-inch flush mount fan. Okay, we'll be doing an install on this as well, but right now I'm just going to pull it out here and check it out. So on top we have the instructions, how to assemble, and in here we have our remote control. And a little mounting bracket for that. And this one we have our tools for mounting. Got our wire ties and different sheetrock anchors and things like that there. Okay, this does not come with light bulbs. It's a cute little fan though. Pull it out of there with our, there we are. Come out of there, little guy. This thing doesn't weigh anything. It's fairly light. And okay, well, there it is. That actually looks, it's pretty cool. Here are our light fixtures here, so we're gonna have to get some light bulbs to put in there. It's got like kind of a powder coated metal frame here. The fan is like a little, it's almost like a little a smaller fan. It's a pretty small blade there, but a little 18-inch fan, like for a smaller room or something like that. But I think probably when this thing starts spinning, it might be invisible just because of the way it's looking there. It's a transparent fan blades there. Okay, the mounting shouldn't be too difficult. Just basically these plates right here. This thing weighs nothing, so yeah, these will just turn this way, and that's going to be, just turn that, and we'll be able to just mount that onto the ceiling, connect some wires, and we'll throw this on there. So yeah, stick around for the installation. We'll show you how to do it, and let's get to it. I got my remote set up. Let's turn it on. Oh, that puts out some good light. I'm gonna turn off my light here. So that's a pretty decent lighting. One second. All right, well, it's difficult to tell like how much light it's putting out, but it's three pretty bright light bulbs here. Fan. Just the remote here, it's kind of dark. All right, there we go. Super quiet. And put out some pretty good air. That's on 6 speed. Really blowing stuff around there. All right. So this one. Natural wind button, fan gear, rotation, main switch. So yeah, working pretty good. Turn this back on so we can see. All right, here is our remote, and we have the on-off power, the main power switch here. Sorry. And then you got 2 hours, 1 hour, 4 hours. That'll turn off automatically. Forward, reverse, natural wind. We got stop fan in the middle. I turn the lights on and off. And I guess it's got one button for the lights on and off, and then one major power button for all of them right there. So pretty cool. I like this little fan. Does put out some decent air, and the lighting is nice. So the previous light we had was a fan. It had just a bunch of little tiny light bulbs in there, and they're just kind of not cool. So this is like decent lighting for like a small bedroom or like an office or something like that. But I think I'm just going to leave this one in here. I like this one. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Zoom in on that there. A lot of light there. You guys have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.